The Tesla Model 3 is a game changer in the electric vehicle market, and I've had the chance to spend some quality time behind the wheel. Let's dive into what makes this car so special. First off, the design is sleek and modern. It's not just about looking good. The aerodynamic shape helps with efficiency. The minimalist interior is striking, featuring a single 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything. It's a bit of a departure from traditional car controls, but once you get used to it, it feels intuitive. You can adjust the climate, navigation, and even the driving settings all from that central hub. Speaking of driving, let's talk performance. The Model 3 is quick, really quick. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version can go from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. That's sports car territory. The acceleration is exhilarating, and the instant torque is something you have to experience to believe. It's like being launched from a slingshot every time you hit the pedal. Now, let's address range. The Model 3 offers impressive mileage on a single charge. Depending on the variant, you can expect around 263 to 353 miles. That's more than enough for most daily commutes and even longer road trips. Plus, Tesla's supercharger network makes it easy to recharge on the go. You can get about 170 miles of range in just 30 minutes at a supercharger station, which is a game changer for long-distance travel. One of the standout features is the autopilot. While it's not fully autonomous, it's incredibly advanced for a driver assistance system. It can handle highway driving, change lanes, and even park itself. I found it to be a great help during long drives, reducing fatigue and making the journey more enjoyable. However, it's essential to stay alert and keep your hands on the wheel, as it's not a substitute for attentive driving. Let's not forget about safety. The Model 3 has received top ratings in crash tests and comes with a suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, collision warning, and lane departure warning. Tesla's commitment to safety is evident, and it gives you peace of mind on the road. Now, the price point can be a sticking point for some. While it's more affordable than other Tesla models, it's still an investment. However, considering the savings on fuel and maintenance, plus potential tax incentives for electric vehicles, it could be worth it in the long run. In terms of practicality, the Model 3 has a spacious interior and a decent trunk space, plus a front trunk for extra storage. It's designed to be a daily driver, and it excels in that role. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 is a remarkable vehicle that combines performance, technology, and sustainability. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just looking for a reliable vehicle, the Model 3 deserves serious consideration.